1, 1, 2. Check me out right here, yo.
Mic check, mic check. What's kicking, family? This is Mr. Batch of
the commission. Yeah.
What's kicking, fam? I'm glad you've clicked in so I can check in with you. I'm Mr. Batch and I'm a member of the BBC. Yes, fans of the New York Football Giants. And this installment is called Up Late with Mr. Batch and the Rabid Puppies. The reason I say that is because, this is a response vid to my Man Up, Cam Up video. You know, I posted the video late night on Friday. It's now Saturday morning, August 9th. And I've been making reference to Rabid Puppies because there's a certain faction out there in the TTC which has been coming on my page, talking trash. Good. You're entitled to talk all the trash you want. I'm here to talk trash too, but when it comes to hate week or to a matchup, when it comes to my team matching up with another team or taking a dig at your team, it's going to be related to football. Not the vitriolic type of vernacular that spews forth from some of these cherubs. Google those words. Up Late with Mr. Batch and the Rabid Puppies continues. All right, let me take a swig of my coffee here and get down with the get down, because I'm gonna see if there's been any kind of response from these guys after I post this. Because for real though, let me just get through this and get off the airways, because the Giants have a game coming up against the Pittsburgh Steelers, and I want to give my assessment on something about football related instead of dealing with all this. But then again, it's not a matter of dealing with it. You guys are going to be my entertainment for the entire football season. So come on down, keep typing, and like I said, man up, cam up. The response. Mr. Batch continues. You know, like with all children, they always like to have a lot of attention. And if I hadn't said it before, I'm going to say it now. You know, if you do not have that fatherly figure in your life, a man that can help mentor you through some of your ups and downs and want to at least listen to your troubles, Mr. Batch is here. The reason I say that is because if you folks have been noticing, I've been referenced as the old guy. Yes, and I am damn proud of it. Because like the motto that was part of my division, which was the rally cry for the detachment I was assigned to in the Ordnance Division, U.S. Navy, Mineman, our motto was, where we have been, you have yet to go. So take it from the OG who's going to school and help the Rabid Puppies through this trying time of trying to get their trash talking together. All right. Let me clear my throat. All right. Okay, we're going to start with MrTmoney1993. It's a key thing in there with the name. That 1993 key, MrTmoney1993. Snooze. You got to do better, Gramps. You doing a lot of talking, but you not saying nothing. Grammar and spelling mistakes is really your trash talk. LMAO. Hashtag week. Hashtag bedtime stories. Son, it seems as if I must be a soothing and calming influence for you. And you made the reference bedtime stories. Just go to sleep. Dream of when your team can eventually get close to smelling their chip. Okay, Mr. T-Money1993. I'm not talking anything due to the fact that you're not even talking football here as you respond. You're just on here just babbling. And my last video was man up, cam up. Can you do that, son? All right, and this one is from my favorite whipping post, Simus1974. Hello, folks, did you see that? Simus1974. Okay, Mr. Batch continues. Okay, slow down, Pops. Listen at you coughing. Hacking all over this damn video. Oh, Hennessy, bravo for you. Cigars, question. Listen at you. I bet as soon as your rusty ass stopped this video, you were sucking on that oxygen tank. Sit your AARP ass down. Simus. Once again, no football acumen as your beloved owner of your team, Jerry Jones, who was just recently caught in a compromising position and being extorted. He splashed all over the New York Daily News over the last couple of days up here. And as a reference to you, Mr. Simus1974, yes, Hennessy. That's what men do. Cigars, that's what we do. As far as the AARP, man, they start sending it out at, as soon as you hit 50. As soon as you hit 50, they start mailing the AARP. And yes, I've received many of those letters. I'm not going to let you know whether or not I'm a member. That's not for you to know. But I am a member of the TTC. And you, just like Mr. T-Money1973, Simus1974, you two kids came on my page and nothing. No football acumen, just blabbing all over the place. It's going to be a very entertaining as we go through leading up to Super Bowl 49. This is Mr. Batch. I'm out of here like I stole something. Go to bed, kids.